Alright. It's game time. Switch. Alright.
Siguro ako na yan. Hindi ka man.
Minus 10 minutes ito.
Okay, let's go. Blue wave back.
Alright, Bicol Express, first ball. Amistoso. Tumali. Right? Pass to Aljon, no good. Oh no, Jay got the ball back. Diskarte sabi ni Amistoso. Pass to Tumali. Bounce. Jeff. Fontanelia, short jumper. Basket. Down the basket. Illegal contact by number 0, Jay. First personal foul, first team foul. No good.
Shout out kay Mami Dayan.
Amistoso. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Kuruda. Guard by Tumali. Pass to Bacani. To Jeff Gripo. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Tumali. Aljon control the ball. Aljon. Jumper. Long. Rebound by Bacani got the ball. Roldan. To De La Cruz. Fontanilla asking for it. Right. 2 points. Amistoso. Tanya to. No good. Got the ball back. Fadeaway jumper. No good. Sayang. Fontanilla. Bacani inside to Jeff. Almost interception. Out of bounds. Inside. 2 points. Relano from Amistoso. Traveling. Amistoso control the ball. Inside to Jay. To Aljon. Jumper. No good. Fontanilla for the ball. Pushing foul, number 10. First personal foul, second team foul. Bacani. Back to De La Cruz. To Gripo. Tap by Amistoso. Aljon. Diretso. No good. Got the ball back. Umikot. That's a foul. Foul on Bacani, number 26. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 26. Di po madala na po yung referee natin. First set is good. 3-4 in favor of Amigos. No good. Rebound by Gripo. Bacani. Fontanilla. Tumingin pa sa linya. No good. Amistoso, control the ball. Amistoso, right. Foul, blue, number 23, illegal use of time.
Fontanilla.
Fontanella, first personal foul, second team foul. 15 minutes and 20.
Sugat pa ba?
Amistoso.
Puyat po kami ng gabi. Alas 2 pa kami nagtulog.
Ha?
30 na kami natapos ng ilaw.
Out of bounds. Enjoy yata eh. Rebound. To Rodan. No good. Amistoso for the rebound. Pass to Jay. Lumabas. Okay. We have some confusion. Alright. Big on express.
Nagbago isip na rin yun. Hindi, rabi lang. Nagbago isip na yun. Doon tayo dapat yun eh.
Amistoso. No good. Anton for the rebound. Pass to Jay. 2 points. For the five. Change flavor. Bakani. Rodan. To Gripo for 3. Technical.
Shit, man.
One shot.
One shot.
Bawal po yung palakpak. Doon lang po yan sa, sa fans natin at sa kapag manood tayo ng concert. No cupping. Technical foul number 10. One free throw.
Lagay number PF, bro.
Okay, ito. Tapos isang foul. Dalawa na siya.
Continuous yan, continuous. Running time. No line up. Ay, wala pala yung personal foul.
So, wala.
Kasi pag next technical yung objective na siya.
Oh, okay. Iwanin yung sabihan na lang siya.
Count the basket. 23. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 75. 12 minutes and 41. No basket. Lane violation. Sleeping on the line. Wala sa linya ba? Foul. Foul on number 15. No, Relano. First personal foul. 13 foul. Gripo for 3. Logan. Outside for the rebound. Inside to Jay. Pass to Relano. 2 points. 5-9. Last 12 minutes in the first half. Makali for 3. Shoot! Rebound by Tumali. 3 on 2. Power moves. You know. Rodan. Look it. Amistoso. Jay. You're good.
Maganda sana yung
Out of bounds.
maganda sana yung mga float na bro, no? Hindi niya na na-contribute. Oh.
There's a foul. Blocking foul number 29.
Also.
Tonight.
Sub.
Substitution.
Oh,
Subs.
ano ba?
First personal foul. 14 foul. Subs. First shot is good. 6-9. Lumabas. Ay, waling kumaduka. Gusto lang yung kumaduka. 6-11. Rogan. Nugget. Samson.
Yun ang mga words ni ano eh. Amistoso eh. Sige. Ano.
Jay inside. Power moves. Out of bounds.
Sub rep, sub.
Subs.
Sub.
Sub. To, substitution to. To Rilano and Ignacio.
Ayaw dong ba?
Amistoso. Good. Cruz Delgado. To Amistoso. Lumabas. Parang wala pang tulong to Amistoso, umikot. Ang bumangga, iba. Amistoso, shot jumper. 2 points.
Gawin mo lang nakapitik ng kamay ba? Wala akong foul yun kasi.
Rogan, 3 points. 9-13 in favor of Bicol Express. There's a foul. Foul number 22, De La Cruz. First personal foul, 14 foul, 2 free throws. 9 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time on our first half. Awas man. Wow, nakwarta may. Miguel, rebound by Delgado. Delgado push over inside to Bacani. Humiki. No good. Rebound by Jay. Amistoso for 3. Good. De La Cruz for the rebound. Delgado. 2 points. Timeout. Bicol Express. 11-13. 2-point lead. This timeout is brought to you by Good Tech Mechanic.
11-13.
Pag kailangan nyo ng assistance sa mga sasakyan, we have Good Tech Mechanic by Ramboy Rizale. We have Starlight Cleaning Services and Maintenance. Kailangan nyo na maintenance sa bahay ninyo. Tawagin nyo lang ang Starlight. Ricky Yungko. Alright, back to the ball game. Okay. Bicol Express ball.
Ito ang bala.
Ito tayo ang adjust.
Oo nga.
Malaki.
Steal. Long pass to Fontanella. 2 points. Digla. 30-0. Here again. Delgado. To Fontanella. 2 points. Kinsley. 15-13. Steal. Again by Delgado. Foul.
Sub rep, sub.
Subs, 29. Second personal foul.
Pugi talaga ng referee namin, no? Kailangan yan, no? Pugi yan.
De La Cruz for 3. No good. Samson for the rebound. Long pass to Jay. Bumalik. Hindi pumasok. Tatagol ba? 3-on-1. Pasok. Bigla. Ang lakas. Nagkadana na ha. Ayaw. Ang Bumatay na gusto ano. Samson, De La Cruz. Inantay lang yung bola na bumagsak. De La Cruz. Humingin pa. Wala pa rin. Pass to Tumali. Wala pa rin.
Diyan sapatos mo na, oh. Yan, oh.
Ayan na, Yuri, Kyrie.
Bibinta ko sana sa online eh. Sa'yo pala yan.
Long pass to Delgado. Maghari, 3 points. 18 to 17.
Dito. Grabe, bakas-bakas mo to ba? To, grabe bakas-bakas ko ba? Nag-init na katumbal to.
Alton. Pass to Jay. Remember, no, to Samson. No good. 2 points. 17 to 18 in favor of Amigos. To Bacani. Inside.
Sub.
Sub.
Time out.
Time out. Amigos. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 16.
Score, 18
Our
against
score,
17.
18 to 17 in favor of Amigos. This time out is brought to you by Vaquero Navarra Ventures, Platinum Professional.
Yan yung
Players.
referee natin. Pogi yan, yung referee natin.
Wala pa kami na yun kasi
Yan yung referee natin, Pogi yan.
Shout out to our referee. Thank you so much for refereeing our game this afternoon.
Shout out to Coach Fermin Dipopi from Crisostomo Jetri.
Shout out Crisostomo
Jeffrey.
Jittery. Shout out to our 1 million viewers.
1 million viewers. Shout out.
Alright.
Galing sa Tagay Sulanda. Shout out sa Kalimudan sang sang Sultan ko dira. Shout out sa
Thanks
mga
to our
Mankayla.
sponsors, Between Tax and
Sila kay
Accounting
Bakon,
Services,
Ramsey ka kay
Between
Buni.
Travel Corporation.
Good. Yung teams natin, lagyan pala ng sponsor po kaya ng bawat isa ho, ha? Para ma-appreciate nila, ha? Hindi. Hindi lahat po. Kasi baka sabihin nila, nakablat.
Out of bounds, Stephen Nahaling.
Yung gateway pala, huwag mong palitan yung sinend ko sa'yo yun. Okay lang. Sa kanya galing yun eh. Kasi ikaw yung ilagay mo yung pagkalahatan dito.
Bacani inside to Kyrie Yore for 2 points.
Yun!
20 to 17. Akala ko inantok.
Nawala yung fans ng ano ah. Shout out ka rin sa fans ng ano, sa Amigos,
Amigos.
din na. Dayushi din ka na.
Third jumper. No good. Alton for the rebound. Iba talaga pag matibay pa yung puhod. Sumali, drive.
Wow.
No good. Pushing foul.
Bacani.
Pushing foul. Bacani. Warning for penalty.
Second, Bacani.
Second personal foul. Two, short jumper. No good. Samson for the rebound. Out of bounds.
Basta ilong ko
Delgado.
Tuod yun na to.
No good. Samson for the
Huwag yung
rebound.
taga-tigigal sila. Kung sino ka man.
Amistoso. Oh, Vincent. Number 13.
First.
First personal foul. Bawal to banggain yung nakatayo lang. De La Cruz to Delgado. Guarded by Tumali. To Fontanella. Fontanella dancing with Samson. Bacani got the ball. Intercepted by Amistoso. Samson. Steal by Delgado. Last 3 minutes. No good. Steal.
Counter steal.
Steal 2. No good.
Pasa dapat yun. Bro, pasa dapat yun.
3-1. 2 points. 22-17 in favor of Amigos. Wait, nabuti naman ka ba?
Meron ba? Meron.
Alright. Block by Samson. Block by Milano. Oops, there's a foul.
Time out!
Foul
Time
number
out.
15. Time out. Bicol Express.
That's the last time
Penalty.
out.
Oh no, penalty yeah. No more time out, Bicol Express. Kuya, penalty kuya. Penalty. Shooting.
Yan yung gwapong photographer natin. Mabait na.
Kuya, penalty.
Pogi pa.
Second personal foul.
Kaya kung sino man ang gusto pakuha in event, si Isaiah Dave, kontakin lang siya. Dito sa RB Bowlers.
Cameraman, we have our cameraman here. Isaiah.
Single pa po yan, single.
Single pa.
Single pa yan.
Kailangan na
Sa mga dalaga dyan, si Isaiah na hanapin nyo. Mabubuhay kayo ng matino.
Ano mo itong Mama James?
Yung Mama James na ano bro.
Restaurant in the bar,
Ano lang siya, yung take orders lang siya bro.
Take orders. Back to the ball game.
Pero kasi ano ko lang.
Okay.
Shout out pala kay... Ha? Ito ba?
Yan. Oh. Two free throws.
Shout out pala kay Idol Casas. Ang pogi-pogi mo daw.
No good.
Oh, naka-live pa yan. Ayan, nakatutok pa yung ano. Oh.
No good pa rin. Lane violation. Kani. No good. Rebound by Bakani. 1 minute and 49. No good. Samson for the rebound. On the steal.
Yan oh. Bro.
Jay, 2 points.
Galing.
22-19.
Yung float niya no. Galing no.
Delgado, no good. Rebound by Mistoso. Long pass to Jay. 2 points. Di po bawal po yung mag-uy-uy. Di po madali yung referral din sa uy na yan. 21-22, 1 point lead by Amigos. Out of bounds. Baseball pass again. Mistoso.
Lamang Amigos dahil 22-21.
Lumayas, Shane. Putback is good. Shane's flavor, 22-23. 35 seconds, remaining time. 30.
Shout out sa Amigos. Hambal si Linda Yushi.
2 points. Shane's lead again, 24-23. Jay for the rebound. 15 seconds. Delgado. No good. Amistoso for the rebound. 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, Alton, turn around. Basket.
What a shot!
What a shot by Alton. 25-24 in favor of Bicol Express.
25-24 in favor of Bicol
This
Express.
halftime is brought to you by Albisa Express by Joseph Canlas. Kung kailangan yung magpabiyahe ng mga bagahe sa Pilipinas o kahit saan man sa mundo, kontak nila si Joseph Canlas. Fiesta Filipino Millets Creative and Catering. If mayroon kayong party at nangailangan kayo ng Tagaloto, i-contact nyo lang si Ate Millet. Andyan po yan palagi pag available. We have our financial advisor, Patrick Bernardo. If you need insurance, kontakin nyo lang si Patrick Bernardo. One call away. At explain sa inyo. Mama Jane's Kitchen from Fort Cupel. Kung sino man yung taga Fort Cupel dyan nanonood. Pag nangailangan nyo ng orders, kontakin nyo lang po
Masarap na,
si
mura pa.
Mama Jane's Kitchen. Masarap na, mura pa. Papanatos Grease and Grill Restaurant. If kayo'y nagugutom after maglaro ng basketball, punta na kayo sa Papanatos. Swabbing. Masarap, malinam na. And thank you to Mr. and Mrs. Dora Cortez. Thank you for sponsoring our league this year.
Okay.
Nabuo sila.
Hindi pa, wala pa. Kaya mo siya muna, wala pa sila eh. Pag mag-ano lang sila, pag marami, gano'n mga playoffs, marami na yan sila. Or pala maglaglagan, o. No, na ano bro? Na po. Oh. Isaiah, pasuyo ka mamaya kung ano, tulungan mo si Kuya Mikmika. Ano? Alis 4 kasi alis ako alas 4.
Ano ba? Wala na. Ha?
Pero
Alis ka pa ba?
paano pa kung sana ako makaalis ngayon?
Bakit?
May ipupunta na.
May date ka na naman. Cancel mo na yung date. Oo. Cancel mo na yung date.
Pero, more po. Hanggang ano oras ko?
Adi, hanggang 5 lang naman tayo dito. Oh, 5 ba? O 6 pa?
6.
6 pala, hanggang 6 pala. Back to the ball game!
Okay lang. Oo.
Oh. Alright.
Oo. Sarap.
Ayaw ba yung minumura ko sa Facebook?
Oh, dyan lang. Oh. Amigos ko, huwagan. Critical foul number 10.
Technical na. Kaya mo. Iyak palalo yun eh. Second personal foul.
Lagyan mo ng second.
Oo, second.
Continue.
Yan po si Isaiah Dave. Single po yan. Pero
Ang gwapong kameraman natin. Huwagan. Don Delgado. Hey! 3 points. Delgado. Kailangan mo higpitan mo. Amistoso. No good.
Pero pag ko si Lisa gaganon bro eh.
Ako ka rin.
Ayoko ba nung...
Jumbo. Bulldog Express ball. Kasi maluwang no? Ito po. Luwagan mo natin lahat. Ayaw talaga po.
Ito mo nga sila.
Time yan or no? Next
Ano ata ko? Naalog na.
Rebound by Elgin. Triple team. Quadruple team. Inside. Foul. By number 68, Delgado. First personal foul. 68. First personal foul.
First in foul.
First team foul.
Samson din po, first personal foul.
Samson. Kaya, kuno mo kuya.
Looks is good. 26, 27, and 3 more of amigos. Out of bounds. Amistoso. Samson, back to Amistoso. Romale, to Jay inside. There's a foul. Foul on number 7.
Yep, 3 po sa first lang.
First personal foul, second team foul. What a shot by Alton. 27-28. Delgado. Right to the hook. Roldan. To Grico. 2 points. 29-28 in 3 more of Amigos. 16 minutes and 15. Amistoso. Herring. Abay, palikit ang hula. Delgado. No good.
Ganun.
Wagan. Lumpas to Roldan for 3. Lumabas. Ronaldo. I'm into Jay, no? Jay again?
No,
Good. Tumingin pa sa replay. Pamentuan. Wagan. Roldan. Back to Wagan. Interception by Jay. Ricky. Basket. 2 points.
J.
Basket is good. Foul on number 7. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Subs.
Sub.
Substitution.
May duwagan ako sa mga video. May A pala after ano.
Rebound by Roldan. Roldan control the ball. Pass to Delgado. Back to Roldan. To Kamintuan. Short jumper. Rebound by Pico. Amistoso. Long pass. Steal by Roldan. Wagan for 3. Rebound by Alton. Amistoso. 3 on 2. 2. Hindi umabot. Kamintuan. No ball dribble. 13 minutes ang kini. Good. Subs. Okay, good. Good po yun. Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
short to. To, boarding mo to.
Oo.
Boarding. Ha? Wow, boarding yan, ha?
Nice shot, go! Board shot! 2 points! 29-32 in favor of Bicol Express. Fontanilla, short jumper. Ivon Emiliano. Ang lakas.
Nagulat!
Umete for three. Very good. Pang-AJ pala yun. 2 points. 59-34. Golden. To Delgado for 3. No good. Rebound by Wagan. To Roldan. No good for them.
Hanap.
Delgado. Last 12 minutes.
Ah, sige, pag ano.
29-34. Jay. Jumper, amistoso. No good. Samson. No good pa rin. Roldan for the rebound. Long pass to Delgado. To Fontanilla. Easy 2 points. Turnout, Bicol Express.
Ubusan ng hininga to.
No, parang ubusin niya to. Next time out is brought to you by
34-31.
Good Tech Mechanic, Mama Jane's Kitchen, Starlight Maintenance, Papa Nato's Grease and Grilled Restaurant, Mr. and Mrs. Darrell Cortez, LBC Express by Joseph Pilas, Fiesta Filipino Millets Creative and Catering, Great Meal by Patrick Bernardo, of kailangan nilang financial advisor, contact Patrick Bernardo, Between Travel Corporation. Back to the ball game.
Nice rep. Nice rep. Nice rep. Qualification one for rep.
Thanks to our Gopong referee for explaining to the team. Inside to Aljon. Out of bounds. 31-34 in favor of Bicol Express. Handa, masarap pa. Delgado, no good. Amistoso for the rebound. Steal. Delgado. Free on concentration. One pass by Delgado. Rebound by Samson. KJ. Pass to. There's a foul. Foul on number 23, Fontanilla.
Third.
Third personal foul. 23, third personal foul.
Fourth.
14 foul.
Tatlo.
No free throws, Rilano. No good.
Okay, boarding mo na lang to.
Boarding mo to.
Masyot kita to.
Mas-shot din na to, ha? Jay for the rebound. Grabe naman yun, nakakalabaw. Wala pa, Jay pa rin. There's a foul. Parang 16 years old. 26.
Third.
Third personal foul.
Warning.
15 foul. Warning for penalty. 9 minutes. 44. Person is good.
Paliyat pa. Napaliyat pa.
Pumasok. Lane violation. 21-35.
Oh.
Intercepted.
Ikat yung bola sa kanila, bro.
Sub.
Sub.
Wagan. Mick Wagan to Fontanilla. De La Cruz, Wagan Kumulgan. Bakaya, Kunti. Nugget. Out of bounds. Bicol Express ball. Manghang na, masarap pa. 8 minutes and 36 remaining time on our game.
Sabi ka ni Bro Lionel, isang dunk na dunk, bro. Ricky. Isang dunk daw.
Isang dunk daw, Bro Ricky, sabi ni Bro Linel. Rebound by Alton. And resulted by Rodan. Rodan, 2 submission. 2 points. 33-35, 2-point lead. Jay. Umikot. 2 points. Pasok pa rin yan. Hindi yan nahihilo. Napagod lang. Rodan. Naghahanap ng kapasaan. Makani. For 3. Shoot. Arjun.
Di.
Amistoso. 2 points. Time out, amigos. 39-33.
Yan ka lang pag-isa ko natin bro, hindi na lang pwede. Kasi yung ano ko nga. Oo, gusto ko si Wanan lang.
Ganun man yun. Pwede mo ganun.
Oo.
Ano ba? Patribong mo. Sa court na tayo, court na ba? Oo, alas na.
Oo, nagwawanan.
Sila pa yung foul penalty ba?
1-5. Warning na sila, warning ka mo. Napamayo pa.
Anim.
Napamayo sila, ilan?
Dapat ka foul mo ah.
5, apat para mapinutin.
Ilan sila?
1 foul pa lang sila.
Sila apat.
5. 5.
Shout out kay Coach Fermin Diboque.
Shout out to Coach Herman Imboque. Back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 40 remaining time. Delgado to the goal. Boconelia, pass to Magani. Boconelia. Trigger. That is Coso.
Second.
Second personal foul. First team foul. Roldan. Nugget, rebound by De La Cruz. Steal by Samson.
Sinagawa ng Kennedy.
Alton. Delgado. Same ball. Last 7 minutes. Last 7 minutes.
Mainit pa, mangang mo.
Mainit na, maanghang pa. Samson. 2 points. 33-41. Pushing foul by Amistoso.
Third.
Third personal foul. 13 foul. Amistoso. Third personal foul. 13 foul.
Dalawa pa dito, sa dito. Pre, dalawa pa
Rizal is
tayo.
good. 34-41.
Hindi na yun.
Second shot is good. 35-41.
Sobrang tight ka.
Amistoso. Dorelano. Post up. Rebound by Alton. Grabe kalakas. Amistoso asking for the ball. Alton. 2 points. 35-43. 8-point lead.
Sa sunlight, pero nakapul. Sa break.
Delgado. To Valeria. Right. Ayun po. To Delgado. Again, technical. Substitution.
Na-enjoy! Na-enjoy! Pre! Na-enjoy ka! Oh,
Technical. Check na. Sorry.
magkano yun? Thank you.
One.
Okay, thank you.
Basketball sa ano.
Sa amigos? Okay, sige.
Bawang control mo. Gumagani. 3 points. Bakani. Apat na lang po naman. 4 minutes and 43 remaining time. Go!
Time out!
Time out! Bicol Express. First time out.
1-1.
1-1. Time out.
Rep! Isa-isa na lang, Rep, ha?
Our score 39-43. Remaining time 4 minutes and 27. This time out is brought to you by Goodwin Travel Corporation.
Main Street, tsaka ano bro? Rewind bro.
Our next game, Rewind versus Main Street. Alright, back to the ball game. Kaya pala ang lakas ni Jay kasi naka-duin-duin pala to eh.
Yan yun. Yan si Idol Casas.
Shout out, Idol Casas. Ang puting sapatos. Samson. Lugan. Pusong tao by pamituan.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Pamintuan. First pa lang yan bro.
First personal foul, pamintuan. Sapot sa mata. Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes na sapot. Sabi ba, pag nakaon, reklamo kay nakaon. Pero patay, reklamo gyapon. Sinuaan mo. Sikan sabi.
Visit.
Delgado, room number is gone. 2 points. Delgado. 45. Samson. Back to Amistoso. Last 4 minutes. Steal. Final leg. Long pass to Delgado. Short jumper. Short. Got the ball back. 2 points. Delgado. That's good.
45.
45, dalawa, 45.
45.
Pasok yun.
Penalty.
Penalty. Two free throws.
Dalawa na lang naman namin.
Oo, dalawa na. Nakasunod sila, dalawang shoot. Oo, 6 lamang nyo eh.
Second personal foul. 3 minutes and 17 remaining time.
3 minutes and 17. 45-43 in favor of Bicol Express.
Basket. 46-43. Bicol lead. 3 minutes and 15. No good. Out for the rebound. Amistoso. Long pass to Jay. Abilis. Ang galing naman ang kontrolon. 3 minutes. 43-48. 3 minutes. Steal.
Dali.
Ubusan na ng dulas. Makani. Delgado. Foul. Foul on Samson.
Dalawa.
Number 35.
First.
First.
Oh, second.
Oh, second.
Second personal foul.
14 po.
14 foul. Warning. Ano? Not yet.
Sabado pa.
First shot. No good.
48, 43.
Mamaya pumasok.
Kiyagista kasi sa sabong to eh. Kaya lagi.
Shot. Time out.
Time out.
Ay, dito.
Time out. Bicol Express.
No more time out.
No more time out. Bicol Express.
10 minutes pa yan.
Meron.
Wala na tayo mag-gear. One time out. Kabila.
Wala na.
Picture natin yung viewers.
Oh.
Oh, picture mo sila.
Second day viewers.
Dalawa yung sa kabila.
Sige lang, okay lang.
Back to the ball game. Bicol Express ball. Remaining times.
Oh, dalawa pa sa inyo.
2 minutes and 20. Amistoso. Ano? Ano ball? Puazo. Drive. There's a foul.
Roll down.
Foul on Roldan.
First.
First personal foul on the head.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Condition yung ito, no? Maganda pala pag umaga yung laro nila eh. Naka-condition sila.
Eh, baga po. Pag-usap siya.
Ganda.
Second shot is good. 49-43. Roldan, right. No good. Rebound Elton. No, intercepted. Puntarilla for 3. 9. 3 points. 46-49. Victory lead. Ang lakas. 2 points. 59-46.
Ang bro, pasok ko, no?
Delgado. Shoot. Rebound by Elton. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Steal. Roldan. For 3. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 39. No good. Rebound by Kamituan. Kamituan for 3. No good. Rebound by Alton. There's a foul. Foul on number 29.
Penalty na rin kami, di ba?
Warning for penalty.
Wala pa. Warning pa.
Five pa,
Warning.
five.
Calzone, bro. Tatlo na yan.
First shot is good. 47-51. Third personal foul, number 29. 1 minute and 15.
Uy! Eh, tato! Uy! Ay!
For 51, Bicol lead. Steal.
Hindi, isa lang.
Sakto yan, sakto yan.
Isa lang.
Sakto yan. Isa lang yung pumasok ni Pamintuan.
Isa lang.
Tapos ano? Sub!
Host, sino Paul? Bakani?
Osval! Bakanin, oh? Yeah. Third personal foul. Alright, a fourth personal foul. Bakanin. Don't worry about the score. We got this here. Just play the game.
Okay na.
Good. This one is good. 52-50. Nugget! Penalty. Bonus. Penalty na ako, bay. Penalty na. Tagan niya mag-foul, bay. Ganina, 5 pero ano na.
Siguro yung si Ball Star siguro.
Nugget!
Samson?
What's foul? Yeah, what's foul?
Samson. Third.
Third personal foul.
May time out pa kayo.
Salam bro, salam.
51-52. Sige.
Penalty na tayo. Okay, shot lang. Penalty na. No, diskarte no.
14 shot clock.
Ready go. Dali. Diskarte.
7 seconds remaining time. 8.
Take time mo, take
Foul
time.
number 29.
Apat.
Fourth personal foul.
Warning on blue, clapping boys.
Warning on blue, laughing.
Sino clapping? No foul.
Basta violation tapos tayo na... No.
Okay.
Basta
Okay.
violation. Violation. Continuous yan.
Sige.
Continuous kung ano yung remaining.
There's a foul. Foul number 68. Holding.
Second.
Second personal foul.
Basta mag-change position ko tapos backward pa. Automatic position pa.
Okay.
Kinabahan.
Isa. Pag ma-shoot, time out. Wala.
Basket. 26 seconds remaining time.
Warning mo.
17.
Retro.
8 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Penalty.
Number 34. Penalty.
Dalawa.
Time out kayo. Kayo na.
Wait till the mid to shoot you.
5 seconds.
Pag blow ng whistle, 5 seconds.
5 seconds pag buno.
Pag ano na
Kasi ano mo rin, kasi ano po dito, 3 seconds ka lang
Hindi,
eh.
5 pa. 5 pa.
Hindi nga,
Ano kami ang?
Wala, isa lang! Wala, isa lang!
Time out. Time out. Okay, pumasok. Yung pangalawa. O, pagkatapos ng free throw.
Bakit pinag-free? It's an overtime. This 53 deadlock is
3
overtime.
minutes. 3 minutes.
Okay na, okay na, okay na.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Stop clock pa rin yan lang.
Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Can you take a timeout sa live ball?
No, no.
No, okay. Only in the.
Sorry, sorry.
That's okay. He should have made that anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, wide open.
Continuous siya.
Break! Sila po tayo mga pa rin isa. Dalawa, 2 timeouts.
Same first to 7 or just
No,
3
3
minutes?
minutes.
That's
And
it?
then if it is overtime, then 7. Rest to 7.
Okay.
Alright, back to the game. Overtime.
Deadlock po tayo, overtime po tayo. Ganda ng laban.
Ang ganda ng laban. Then kayo, dalawang jumper. 2 points.
Does the
55
bonus carry over? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Housen. Drive. Lugan. Laban na tayo. There's a foul. Foul number 15. Penalty.
Ha? Hindi, 3 minutes ubusin.
3 minutes.
Ubus, ubus.
talaga?
Oh.
Pag
Pagsunod.
overtime pa rin. Yan,
Unang
7
makapito.
points na. Stop, stop,
Sige, pasok,
stop.
pasok. What a Nick, what a game.
Hindi mo na basket, hindi kita natin.
56, 53. 57, 53.
Take time.
Lugan. Rebound by Mistoso.
Defense! Defense! No foul, no
57, 53. James. Bakalan sa rebound.
No foul, no foul.
No foul, no foul, no foul. 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Oo, tama, tama.
Ang ganda po ng laban natin. First game pa lang po tayo. 15 shot clock. Penalty again. No good. Sigado. 2 points. There's a foul.
Two shots, two shots.
24.
Third.
Third personal foul. 2 free throws.
Dalawa. Kasi carry over yung isa eh.
First shot, no good.
Baba!
56-62. 1 minute and 24. Bacani. Control mo. Back to Delgado. Tofo Valeria. Long jumper. Now, nasa kay Bacani for 3. Look good. Look good. Last 1 minute.
Yan ang tumapos.
Delgado. Great one.
Not count, not count, not count. Not count. Mangga.
Oh, tumama.
Tumama sa gutter, tumama sa gutter.
Last 44 seconds.
Pasok po.
3 points. 3 points. 62-59. Uy. 15 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Steal.
Time out.
62-62. Time out. Amigos. What a game.
Oh,
Kasi 59 yung 3 points.
dalawang tres pumasok.
16 seconds remaining time.
62, deadlock. 16 seconds left.
62-62. 16 seconds remaining time. Both penalty.
Parehas.
All right, let's go. Remaining time. 16 seconds. Ang ganda po ng laban natin. First game pa lang po tayo, naubos na yung boses. Alright, let's go. 16 seconds. 10. Roland. 5. That's the end of our game. Congratulations, amigos. What a fight by People Express. Next game, Rewind versus Pinstripe.
64-62, amigos for the win.
64-62.
Best player, Moy Puntanilla.
Our best player, Moy Fontanilla,
30 points.
30 points. What a hitting shot by Roldan. Warm up, Rewind versus Pinstripe.